all my Renaissance men and women, just wanted to do a quick little video here. We finally got our RSI Smart Canopy. It's finally arrived. This thing was forged in stainless steel, made in South Africa. We waited about 4 months for it, but it was well worth the wait. Let's do a little walk around here. This is forged in stainless steel. It's not your typical fiberglass canopy. Most fiberglass canopies, the max they're going to hold on top of there is about 200 pounds. This thing being forged in steel, it holds 800 pounds on the top of it. The reason we went with that is for like rooftop tents and all that kind of stuff. Rooftop tents, baskets, we're going to have a lot of weight on there, so we want it strong and durable. Let's take a look inside here. Comes with a little key here, you can unlock. Push your button. Let's take a closer look inside here. So the reason we need our trail rail system, you got to get your trail rail bed system here. This can come from the factory or you can buy it aftermarket. The reason you need that is for these clamps to attach in onto your canopy. Holds it all nice and secure. There's 3 on each side. We got some windows in here. We'll open up in a minute. It's all good stainless steel. You got another front window back in here that opens up. Opens and slides real nice. Got another window there we can open. We can actually have access into the truck if we need it. Could run some heat back here, do whatever you want. Put your dog back here. Your dog will have a little window here to stick his head out of. Little side windows. Let's get a look from the outside, around the side here. It's all got really nice seals, nice rubber seals here. Keeps all the water out. Haven't had one drip of water get inside of this canopy yet. Lock her up. We're just out here embracing the beautiful winter weather of Horseshoe Bay down here in British Columbia, down by the ferry terminal. Take a look over here. You got your BC ferries, you got all your boats at the boat launch. Let's pop one of these side windows open here and show you. Same thing, key, push the button, bam. Oh, get some nice hydraulics here. Jump in, grab whatever you want. Grab your tent, grab your whatever gear you got in there. Got a couple of those bars that we picked up. It's good for, I don't know, buckets and stuff from sliding around. Let's close this up. We're just going to jump on the top here of the canopy, show you what's up there. Just close this back up. Up here we got this little boxy thing. This This is an air vent, so the air can circulate out of your canopy so it doesn't get all stinky and moldy in there. It'll vent out any pressurized air that's in there. Also, we got our tracks up here to mount your roof racks, get your rooftop tents on here. And again, this thing holds just about 800 pounds. It's not like your typical fiberglass. Get up here, this is really strong. Dance up here, have a party up here. Well worth the wait. Look at these corners. It's all forged. This is all one piece of steel here. It's just all one piece of steel forged. Yeah. The color match with the black. It almost matches the hard top. Matches it pretty well. This isn't custom color paint to this Jeep. This is just the standard black that you get it in, and I think it matches perfectly. Love the lines. You can get in here, open your window from the inside, use your pressure washer, get it all cleaned out. There's a nice gap there to clean out. RSI Smart Canopy came from South Africa. We'll leave the link below if you guys want to check them out. Get your own RSI Smart Canopy for your Gladiator, or they got them for Tacomas or Ford Raptors. Pretty much making them for all the big name trucks on the market. So yeah, RSI Smart Canopy. That's it. Hope you enjoyed.